Make sure the chin is not here, it is up here. Adjust yourself if you need to, and focus. How we feeling? Alright, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, come back. Now here we go, come back. And we're going to the flutter kick now, let's go. Breathe through, core contracted. Keep going. Alright, come back here. Anthony, come on in. Let's go. Flutter kicks. Alright, hands are down. Chin at the leg. Might be shaking like Anthony, but it's okay. Breathe. Get a nice form here. Chin up. Legs are straight. 3, 2, 1. Come down. Breathe. Come right back into it. We're going to scissors. Okay? There you go. Good one. Excellent job. Stay strong. Alright. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep moving through. Keep that core nice and tight. Keep breathing. Take that break easy. It's easy to boom. And then come back. Okay? It's that simple. 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright. Last one. Knees in and out. Let's go. Knees in and out. In. Keep breathing. Keep going. Alright guys, come on Rachel. Push through. Come on. Looking good. Abs tight. You're breathing nice and strong, okay? Stay focused. Hands on the core. Act like my hand. Right in your stomach. And you push. You feel good? Alright, good job. Stay strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Alright. Now just pull your hands under. Stretch out your back for a second. Now we're going to keep those exercises half the time. Now we're only on 15 seconds each. You guys happy about that? Are you happy about that? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Extend your toe. Contract the core. Really bring your pain to you. Come on. Squeeze the core. Come on. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Lift the hips up. Push. Keep breathing. Are we breathing? Even if you have to yell in your house, you know it's contracted. Come in and let's go. Come on, push. Come on, get back in. Come on, Chris. Come on. Move through. Push it. Excellent job. Tag, man. Those abs are tight. Come on. You got it. Keep pushing. Come on. Go. 4, 3, 2. Come in. Alright, come back. Here we go. Start with the scissors and go. Keep pushing through. Alright, guys. Stay focused. Stay strong. Keep the core. Breathe through. Looking good. Push. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in. Alright, knees in and out. Let's go. Knees in and knees in and out. Come on. Keep going. How we doing? Aria? Oh, Aria, let's take a break. Come on, give me. You only got 5 seconds. 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. Alright. Clap it up, y'all. Come on. Work it out. Okay, so check it out. Next exercise we're doing is very similar to the power jump that we do when we're standing up. You're going to start with your hands down. Make sure